This 2023 Newmar Super Star 4061 is a Super C RV. It is located in Boerne, Texas, 78006 and is offered for sale by Ancira RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Newmar is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features rear bedroom. This 2023 Newmar Super Star 4061 is built on a Freightliner M-2 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.